Hello, Gans21 here with another video. Today I'm going to be doing stuff with my doggy, Obi. So there's this trend going around YouTube. So how careful can your dog be with an egg? So I just put the egg down. Now let's see. Remember to drop a like and subscribe. So, oh, he got it in his mouth. He's actually being really gentle with it. That's a thing known about beagles. They're meant to be really gentle with little stuff. He is a male, but they're meant to act like females to little stuff. Like it's more, it's their kid and their mum. It's really cute. Oh, as soon as I say that, he's scratching it like that. Anyway. Okay. You're licking it? Yeah, rolling it. Oh, a moth. Yeah? You're fine? You're just protecting it. No one come near my child. Yeah, just bring it in everywhere. I didn't think he would last 30 seconds without smashing it, actually. Obi, is that your child? Is that your child? So remember to drop a like, hit that subscribe button. So he's a beagle, so he's got really long ears, as you can see. They're meant to be really friendly dogs, and they are. Like my mum, am I allowed to get you on video? Like my mum, I'm his like second master because I'm an older brother, but my mum is his like old time master. One time we were doing play fight, then he came, and he was defending her because he thought we were actually trying to hurt her. Remember? Huh? So you did actually hurt me? Yes. Look at her leg. That was by me. Because if you didn't know, I do karate. I do karate. Is that your child? The white bits in his eye, I forgot that. The bit that's not a pupil. Those white bits in his eyes. Yeah, they are getting pinkish. That means he's really tired. Maybe. Oh, he's broken it. Obi, you killed your son. I'm kidding, it wasn't your son. Okay, now he's just drinking its insides. He killed his son, then he's drinking his insides. Ah. Now this is just a normal egg from the shop. He pretends like it's his son. Well, that's done. Anyway, so we're gonna make some more videos on him. His name's Obi, as in Obi-Wan Kenobi. Obi, say like and subscribe. Say it. Okay, he licked me on the knee, so maybe that made. Anyway. Okay, now he's actually crushed the egg. You can hear it crunching. Okay, I think I'm going to end the video here. Remember to drop a like and subscribe. Bye, guys.